Won't you say why? You're a stranger now. Eyes escape my mind when I sit you down. Don't you feel like we're holding on onto a fairy tale, but the magic's gone? Been months of bluffing. Ooh, yeah. I think it's time to talk. Ooh, yeah. I think it's time to talk.
अभी इस पार्ट को ड्रॉ करना है, तो लेट्स ड्रॉ दिस पार्ट. Enjoy the final review. Bye.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram ID, link in description. Bye.
No, I don't wanna